Here we will write a Python program to find total and percentage of a student using single inheritance when roll number, name and mark of 3 subjects are given by user. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. So first we will define class student, and here we will define constructor with two parameters, roll number and name. So def init self roll number and name, and we will assign this constructor variable to self. So self dot rno equal to rno and self dot name equal to name. Then we will define another class mark which inherits student. Here we will define constructor with roll number, name and mark of 3 subjects where roll number and name are from class student. So we will define constructor. Here first we will define RNO and name for superclass, and then mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. Here we will call roll number and name from the class student using super keyword. So super dot init with RNO and name, and then we will assign this mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. So self dot mark 1 equal to mark 1. Then we will define method find result, and here we will calculate total and percentage. So total equal to mark 1 plus mark 2 plus mark 3. Here we will use self keyword with mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. Then we will calculate percentage as total divided by 3, and then we will print roll number, name and mark of 3 subjects with total and percentage. So we will use print statement. Here we have used self keyword with RNO, name, mark 1 and mark 2 and mark 3 since these are constructor variables, and we have called total and percentage without self since these are local variables. Then we will accept roll number, name and mark of 3 subjects from the user. So r equal to int input roll number, then name. Since here we are accepting string, so no need to convert, directly we will call input. Then mark 1, here we will use int. Then we will create object of our class mark, and we will pass roll number, name and mark of 3 subjects as a constructor parameter. And then we will call the method find result from that class. Then we will save it. Here we will execute it. I will enter the values. It will print roll number, name, mark of 3 subjects, then total and percentage. Here first we have created the class student which defined with constructor variables roll number and name. Then we have defined class mark which inherits student. For class mark we have added 3 variables, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3, and then we have defined the method find result in which we have calculated total and percentage.